This tutorial will cover the library search system. The search box is located on the library homepage here. It allows you to search for items in the NCC library, and it is a great place to start your research. For instance, if you're searching for the book, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, simply enter the title in this search field and click Search. Here are our search results. As I scroll down, I see that the book is option number 2. I can click on the title to get the book record. On top here we see the title and the book cover and the author information. Under the Send To, you can share this book record with others, or you can send it to yourself via email or permalink. You can print this record, or you can send a citation as well. Under Locations, you can see that the book is in the Nassau Community College Library. It is circulating, it is available, and here is the call number. To exit out of the book record, simply click the X over here, and let us go to the search home. On the search home page, under What Am I Searching, you can see all the materials that you can search under the NCC library category, which includes print books, ebooks, video and audio materials, as well as articles from journals, newspapers, and magazines, as well as legal documents. You can also search textbooks for your classes, as well as materials from other SUNY libraries. By default, the system will search everything under the NCC library category, but you can limit that search to just articles or books and media, depending on what you're looking for. So let's say we're looking for articles and we want to search by keyword. So you can enter your search terms in this box here. So I am looking for school art programs, which I am entering here, and I have the option to search for this in various places, but I'm going to choose articles because I am interested in articles only. So go ahead and click on that. And here are our search results. Right now, you can see we have over 214,000 results. So I'm going to go on this side of the screen where it says Refine Your Results, and I'm going to use filters to narrow down my search. So for instance, I can pick Available Online. I'm also going to choose peer-reviewed journals. And you have a lot of options to filter depending on your search. So let's say I'm interested in article number 1. So I'm going to click on the title, and this will open up the article record. Just like the book article, on top you will see the title of the article, the author, and the journal and other citation information. I have the option to send this article record to me, as I did in the book. But to access the article, I have to scroll down to the View Online, Full Text Availability area, and here you will see a list of databases in which this article can be found. If we did not have this article, you will see a link to do an interlibrary loan. But since we have 4 databases that have it, I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one. This will bring me to the database, and it brings me to the article itself. So here I can review the article, and if I like it, I can use it for my assignment. To exit the database, simply click on the X, and this will close out the tab. To close out of the article record, simply click the X again. And I'm going to go to the search home. On the search page, you can see we have other options to search as well. For instance, if you want to search by journal, simply click on the journal search, and you can put in the title or the ISSN of a journal and simply click on this icon. We also have the option to search journals by category. So if you were looking for a nursing journal, you can go to Health and Biological Sciences and browse the journals that we subscribe to under that category. Another option we have is Find by Citation. So for instance, let's say you did not want to do keyword search because you may already have a citation for an article, a book, or a journal. Then you can simply use this form to enter that citation information and then click Submit to obtain your item. Lastly, this page also allows you to search by databases. So for instance, you wanted to search a specific database that the library subscribes to. You click on the databases link and you'll be brought to all our databases listed here alphabetically. And then you can search within the specific database of your choice. To close out of this database listing, simply click the X and the tab will close out. If you need assistance with your searches, please feel free to contact the reference desk, or you can chat with us online through our library homepage by clicking on the Chat Now link right there. Thank you.